And in addition to the heat, Lady Luck could be in the air this weekend in Metro Atlanta as two mega drawings are in the nine figures. Tonight's Mega Millions drawing is worth an estimated $275 million. Saturday's Powerball is expected to be worth an estimated $178 million. Yesterday's Fantasy 5 drawing, the numbers were 13, 19, 22, 23, and 24. Nobody won the big prize, so tonight's jackpot is worth an estimated $150,000. Monday night's Jumbo Bucks Lotto will increase to $1.6 million. Nobody won the jackpot yesterday for $1.5 million. But if you played, here are the numbers: 1, 2, 11, 19, 28, and 31. Georgia 5 from yesterday in the daytime: 7, 4, 9, 2, and 7. Evening and nighttime drawing: 1, 1, 3, 3, and 8. 5-card cash drawing from yesterday worth up to $150,000. Those cards were the 2 of spades, 10 of clubs, Queen of hearts, 9 of hearts, and 6 of spades.